Hey guys, welcome to the ContentGrow Portfolio. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of how to get set up and how to use it. So start by giving your portfolio a name. In this case, we'll go with Jake Sully, no spaces. All right, so as you can see, there are certain inputs that are required while others are not. Let's go ahead and quickly fill this out. Let's say business and finance, and sure, a few different areas of expertise. We'll say that Jake Sully can only speak one language here. So a bit about who he is, what he specializes in, and a call to action for clients who discover his portfolio. Okay, so the next step is just click Save. All right, and this is where Jake is going to add some work samples to his portfolio. These can be writing samples that exist anywhere on the web. They do not have to be stories that have already been commissioned through ContentGrow, so it's very important to know that when you get started. Okay, so this is all done. All right, so we have the first section is called work samples, and you can add as many different sections as you like using this button, and you can edit the current section using this button. But if you want to get started adding content, you would just simply click this button, Add Content. All right, so we're going to add a story here. All you need to do is paste the URL of the story and click Fetch. And all of the necessary information should populate, and then give it a label. We'll call this blog post. Okay. All right, great. And a little snippet appears. Let's do another one. And a final one. Okay, so Jake has added 3 different work samples to his portfolio. You guys can add as many as you like. And then when you're ready, you can take a look at it in live mode right here. Okay, so this is public, and you can grab this link to your portfolio and share it anywhere on the web. So you can put it in, your social media feed, or on your website, or share it with anyone, really anywhere, through chat apps or email or anything like that. It's a public-facing portfolio to showcase your work samples so that you can get clients outside of ContentGrow, but also get noticed by clients who are already operating within ContentGrow. I hope this helps. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.